Hey, what's up guys? This is Sohan and you're watching your Technical Spark channel. Guys, today we are going to talk about Chat GPT. As you all know, nowadays everybody is talking about Chat GPT across the world. Chat GPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI, and they have launched this on 30 November 2022. After launching within a few days, it has captured millions of users. If you compare till now like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn or any other social media application or business application, this particular application has got viral a lot. So in this video, we'll check out how exactly this ChatGPT works, what is the capability as well as limitation. Friends, just for your information, when we ask or type any question in ChatGPT, it basically runs 100 to 200 plus queries at the backend, and then it's process all the data, and whatever the result ChatGPT got in the backend, from that data, it's provide more accurate answer for your asked question. So you can see how intelligently or how fast it is working. It's not like Google or Yahoo, AOL or any other search engine which provide lots of information where we always have to visit different website or read different articles. So those kind of work we get saved here, and we'll only get the things which exactly required for us. So this is very useful to save the timing. Although it has impacted bloggers or content writer jobs, but yeah, if those people also use this particular tool very carefully, then they can improve the quality of their content using this particular tool. So I would say it has not affected the jobs as the people are thinking. Now let's log into the ChatGPT and check out how exactly it does. And friends, at the end of this video, I will show you how you can integrate ChatGPT in your search bar in the browser. So very first, let's search for ChatGPT. And click on the very first URL, that is openai.com. Scroll down and here is a try ChatGPT. Guys, if you don't have any account, you can directly click on sign up button and continue with your Google or Microsoft account. For now, I already have account created, hence I'm going to click on login. Let's click on my Microsoft account. Enter your email ID and password here. I have 2FA enabled, so that's why it's asking for code. No. And here you go. Guys, this is completely free, but yeah, if you want to go to the version 4 or other things, then you will have to pay little bit of subscription amount. But for us, free is very much enough. So it has given all its capabilities and limitation here. You can read out all the things slowly. As well as very important, guys, do not share any sensitive information while searching any data here. Okay, now let's click on next again and done. So as you could see in the screen, it has some example how exactly it works, capabilities and limitation. So just for your demonstration, let me try to chat with this ChatGPT. You can directly click on here and select new chat, or you can directly type it in the chat window down here. And very important guys, this can only provide the data which is recorded after 2021 and not before that. Somehow it does provide, but yeah, here's the accurate data timing 2021. Now let me ask hi. Let's say what is it replying. And friends, it can process your data in multiple language. Let's say let me type tum kaun ho in Hindi language. My ChatGPT perfect. Just for your reference, let me type in Marathi as well. Perfect. Copy. This is Marathi language. So let me type it here. Perfect guys. It is providing answers in all the languages. Now we'll see how exactly it's helping college as well as school students to create their project. Let me just type here for another project. Create an HTML code to say I love you Sohan in bold italic, or let me replace this with my YouTube channel name and hit enter. So it should create some kind of code for us in bold as well as italic language. Okay, so our code is ready. We can simply copy and paste it and see whether it's working or not. So for that, let me go to my desktop and create here one notepad file. Paste the code and save it as a HTML. All files paste.html, and then we'll save it into the desktop. Close this. Oh, here it is. or let me just open this within my Edge browser. I love you technical spark. Perfect guys. So this is very simple. You can just use it the way you want it. If in case you are a developer or you want to add some function into your website or code, then how you can do that? Simply type create an HTML CSS code to add a red button. Let's see how it goes. Oh my god, just to add red button in CSS, there is a lots of code needs to be written. Now it's giving the example for each and every syntax used in this particular code. And if you found this useful, then you can simply copy code and test it. Perfect. Now let me try one more thing, like create an essay on I love my India. Let me type it here, my, and enter. Now it will continue to write down, or let me just stop this and just correct something. Create essay on I love you my India with 400 words. Enter. Okay guys, so this is our 400 words essay is ready. Now let me show you something interesting. So for that I'm going to keep one separate chat here. So click on new chat, and now let me type something very interesting. How to propose a girl in India. Chat GPT has answer for everything guys, everything except some confidential or harmful things. Proposing a girl in India can vary depending on cultural and regional differences. However, here are some general tips that may help you guys. So if you wanted to propose any girl, then please do follow these steps. Hey, it's not ending, it's just continuously creating different points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know how long it will go. And guys, if you didn't like this any of the answer, and if you wanted to try some new ideas, then you can regenerate the response like this. Choose the right moment, timing and crucial when it comes to proposing. It is very informative guys. Now hopefully you will be able to propose any girl. Now just joke apart. Now let's move on to the another topic. For that, let me create new chat. Guys, if you want, you can continuously type question in the chat which you already created. But yeah, to keep the conversation separate, you can always go with the new chat. So because your history always remains here until and unless you clear using this particular option, clear conversation. Let me show you. Like once I click clear, and to permanently clear from this particular platform, you will have to again click on confirm clear conversation, and it will be gone. Let me show you by refreshing the screen. Yeah, it's gone. But whatever the searches you have made on ChatGPT are always stored by ChatGPT, or you can say OpenAI. Now here is the another search for the professional people, like how to argue with boss for not allowing a day off. So if you wanted to start a conversation or fight in a professional way with the boss, then these are the some tips. Very first, you will have to understand the company policy. Just go through with all this. It's very interesting. I spend lots of time on the ChatGPT. And at the end, remember, it is important to be professional and respectful when discussing time off with your boss. Ultimately, your boss has a final say. But by approaching the situation in a calm and rational manner, you can increase your chances of getting the time off you need. And let's say after doing all these things also your boss is not agree, then for that also one more way you can get your day off approved by contacting HR. But what is the exact way to reach out to HR? So here is the question: how to escalate boss denying a day off to HR? So what it says: check company policies before escalating the issue to HR. Make sure you have followed all the company policies and procedure regarding your requesting time off. Ensure that your boss didn't have a valid reason for denying your request. So this is very important guys. Okay, so friends, I hope now you have understood how exactly this particular chat GPT works and what are these capabilities and how we can use it. If you still have any question, queries, doubt, then please feel free to let me know in the comment box below. I will definitely try to answer your questions or comments. And very important as always, if you are a new viewer on my channel, then please click on the like button, subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the a notification icon so that whenever I'll upload new video, you will be very first to get notified. That's it in this video. This is Sohan signing out. I'll catch you in the next amazing video. Till then, bye bye and make your life easy with ChatGPT.